Make America Great Again has turned into a vibrant, contagious slogan. It's a slogan that has given hope and restored the voice of those in America who have become despondent and discouraged with what many have called the DC swamp. Now, in their quest for greatness, our founding fathers laid a consistent and discoverable pattern that would establish and ensure the greatness of America. I'm going to bring my son Dominic in to help explain.
John Adams, father of American independence and second president, asserted, "It is the duty of all men in society, publicly and in stated seasons, to worship the Supreme Being, the great creator and preserver of the universe."
As Americans, we must understand we are only great when we are morally good, that is to say, godly.
And the word good is derived from the word God. To be good is to be godly.
A good citizenry is one who appreciates and rehearses the attributes, the characteristics of God. Make no mistake, when America ceases to be morally good, she will cease to be great, and #MAGA becomes an irrelevant slogan.
Noah Webster, father of American education, understood,
"The religion which has introduced civil liberty is the religion of Christ and his apostles, which enjoins humility, piety, and benevolence, which acknowledges in every person a brother or a sister and a citizen with equal rights. This is genuine Christianity, and to this we owe our free constitutions of government."
Finally, said Daniel Webster, let us not forget the religious character of our origin. Our fathers were brought hither by their high veneration for the Christian religion. They journeyed by its light and labored in its hope. They sought to incorporate its principles with the elements of their society and to diffuse its influences through all their institutions, civil, political, and literary.
Great is not being in the top 10 international ranking for crime, drug use, murder, rape, or violent crimes.
Great is not government-condoned or sponsored abortion, international wars for profit, or the breakdown of the sacred biblical family unit of a father and a mother. I conclude with the assertion of Thomas Jefferson in his second inaugural address as President of these United States. "I shall need to the favor of that being in whose hands we are, who led our forefathers, as Israel of old, from their native land, and planted them in a country flowing with all the necessaries and comforts of life, who has covered our infancy with his providence and our riper years with his wisdom and power, and to whose goodness I ask you to join with me in supplications, that he will so enlighten the minds of your servants, guide their counsels, and prosper their measures, that whatsoever they do shall result in your good, and shall secure to you the peace, friendship, and approbation of all nations." So if you still need a resolution for 2018,
#MAGA.
This is Jake
And Dominic
with the Institute on the Constitution, bringing you
The
American View.